If it blows up.
Lakota, I'm standing behind you, bro.
Fuck you.
Well, you're not gonna need the flashlight. There'll be the flame.
Where is all these firecrackers?
Ooh, there it goes.
Where are these firecrackers?
You need like a little.
Start backing up because it's gonna start hitting them. So
You need like a little fucking person hanging out of the window. Fuck.
Guys, you're standing real
Play,
fucking
man.
close.
I'm short. Don't worry. I'm kind of scared. Me too. He's in the van.
the fun thing about these is the anticipation of when it actually hits a piece of Oh, he's getting the light. Right on.
You just see the smoke lingering.
You want my coat,
Fuck,
baby?
this is not a good idea.
It's gonna hit his truck.
Yeah, I know. Your brother's gonna rage a bitch and I'm gonna laugh.
You might want to close your doors.
Yeah.
Make sure you roll down the window so it doesn't smash the lens. No.
You want him move?
It's gonna go all at once. It's not gonna be just a little chain reaction.
I'm
It's just gonna
kinda
be all at
scared,
once.
guys.
Great. It's gonna go all at once. This is not the first time I've had.
Keep going. Fuck. Perfect.
How many more are in there?
Oh shit, okay. If they're heating up, those axe cans are gonna go.
Oh yeah.
Axe
Fuck.
can. Fucking axe cans are in there.
Jesse, the other side. Go on to the other side.
Jesse's windshield.
Oh, you see it just crumbling now. This is gonna be so bad.
It's in the tower. That's where that axe can is. So you're clear, son. See on the phone is just a giant light.
Yes.
Totally.
Your dad's gonna tweak, dude.
Crumbling.
You hear it just going now. This is not gonna be good. It's okay, it's Saturday. How many did you actually put in there?
Probably 100
In the triples and.
Oh!
In the triples and.
Oh!
That was fucking awesome.
Jesse's like, get the trigger going, get the trigger going! I
There
missed
should
that
be
axe
another
can.
one to go. Now imagine if I finished that tower, that would be like 50 times taller.
Somebody got that one axe can.
Mhm.
Pretty sure I got
I got it.
Just had a fucking normal.
I'm afraid.
It's a 5-minute video.